today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Worldremit discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Worldremit discount code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com, and as you can see we have some promo codes right here that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one with 10% discount on international money Worldremit, all you need to do is simply tap on this promotion and you have this promo code right here. You can copy the promo code and use it to get that 3% discount. And also right here, going back to our main search, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com, which also provides some promo codes, as you can see right here, as well as today's best deal. So for example, if you want to get this 5% discount, $5 discount, simply tap right here on copy code, and this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy this promo code and you can use this one to get that $5 discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.